your instructor for the sob haircut today. In this video, we will be going over all the steps to create the Von Savvy sob, which is a soft bob. This is a look that's so sought after in the fashion industry. What's great is you're gonna get an inside look on how to do it step by step yourself. This look is so popular due to being chic and editorial, but yet very versatile for everyday wear. It can go from day to night or streetwear to catwalk. In just a few tips and a few minutes, we will be introducing you to the down low and be able to up your hair game. Now, if you want to own it, you have to do it. And there is a difference between technical and practical, and you need a little bit of both. Technical is learning the step by step. Practical is going into actions of those steps. And until you do it, it will not fully be yours to own. So get your doll head out and let's start learning together. Let's get started and cut hair like a boss. We are doing a sob, which is a soft bob. We're going back into the repetition is the mother of skill. So the first section is cut to the skin and it's pie-shaped parting. And we started off into 4 major divisions and stepped into the pie-shaped parting. This sets the foundation for all the other sectionings that you're going to bring to that point. This is going into precision hair cutting. It's not just anyone can pick up hair and cut it off, but why and where's it going to land and how is it going to fall and what's it going to look like. So this is where we're going into putting together a plan. Now with these 4 major divisions and with this pie-shaped parting, these are steps that you can stay focused on one section and one step at a time. You want to go into more of our videos, we're demonstrating what the 4 major divisions are about and what the pie-shaped partings are about and what sub-partings are about. So we have this information and so much more if you continue to join us in our series and or our membership. So now we're going into bringing it right to the section that we cut to the skin. And if you notice, at the second section, I changed to 1 finger's elevation and I follow that 1 finger's elevation all the way through. We are in the back left section, and with the back left section, I am just focusing on 1 division at a time and 1 section at a time and 1 subsection at a time, which I think is crucial when you're going into a precise precision haircut. There's no need to worry about what you're going to do on the right side, the front side, the top, the back, any of that. You want to just stay focused on the section that you are in at the time. So being present and staying focused is really key. Simple may not be that interesting sometimes and maybe a little boring, but coming into the simplicity of a classic haircut sets the foundation for every single thing that you do in cutting hair. It's the discipline of the more precise and the more you understand the head shape, the hair on the head, and you in relationship to the head, and knowing your elevation, your over direction, and your finger angle. When you know these 3 movements and who you are in relationship to the head and the shape of the head, it's really going to help you create any vision that you have in your mind. And this is where I like to go into the topic of trusting the process. And sometimes we want to question and we start doubting. And I love that saying where it says doubts kill dreams. It happens in a haircut too. You can get lost and you can start thinking I'm not doing this right, but 1 step at a time, you do the same thing over and over, you're going to become more powerful in your cutting, and you're going to know exactly what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how is it going to turn out. Our elevation is 1 finger's elevation. There's no over direction. It's all brought down straight at a 90. And then my finger angle is 90. It's a horizontal 90. If you notice, we cut the back section first, and then we did pie-shaped partings, and we did 1 part at a time. Now we're connecting front to back. So I'm taking a section from the back as your guide, and I'm taking a section from the front, and I'm cutting the front to the back. And if you notice now, my finger is more angled at a 45. At this point, I'm sectioning off the top because you're gonna see at the end, we're gonna do a drop down disconnect. So I'm keeping the crown separate from your over the ear. You may not notice, but over the ear, I have no tension between the middle of my fingers, so that when you let it go, the ear is gonna pop that section and make a C shape if you don't. I hope you enjoyed learning the step-by-step Von Savvy sob, which is a soft bob. So take your time to duplicate what we've learned in this video onto your doll head. Happy cutting, and I do hope you enjoyed this technique, and I'll see you in the next video.